Bore da! Dwi'n gobeithio bod chi gyd yn hapus ac yn dathlu diolchgarwch. Ylwch beth gen i, mae gen i dorth diolchgarwch. Mae'n amser y flwyddyn yn Hydref pan ni'n deud diolch i Dduw ac i'r ffermwyr ac i pawb sy'n darparu bwyd am y bwyd sydd gennym ni oherwydd y sain drist iawn sydd gennym ni ddim bwyd i fyta'n bysa. Ac felly, yna stori ddiddorol iawn i chi heddiw yma yn ymwneud â'r diolchgarwch. Mwynhewch.
Let's meet the scarecrows, Sally and Sammy, and their companions.
Well, hello to you all. Just to let you know, I'm Sammy, and this here is
Sally. Oh, and Sammy, I'm a little bit nervous today. We've just got out of Scarecrow School, and this is our first time on duty. And we've got our supervisors here. We've got to get it right. Anyway, that's enough about us. We're on duty, and we have important work to do. We have to make sure that Ffarmwr Jo's crop grows this year so he can feed his family.
Let's meet Ffarmwr Jo, everyone.
La 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 la. Today is a wonderful day for planting the seeds. I have a great feeling. I think we're going to have the best crop we've ever had this year. Are you two ready?
ready and willing, Ffarmwr Jo. You can rely on us.
Thank you.
Oh, Joe, look out. You've scattered those seeds on the path. That's not a good place for seeds to grow.
Oh, poor seeds. Oh, just listen. One of them is saying something.
This is a great place to grow. Hey, what are these shadows? The sun's out, but there's nothing to make a shadow. Oh, there's something wrong here. Oh, no, birds! Help! I've just been swallowed by a big black bird.
Jo carried on scattering, and the next lot of seeds fell on rocky ground, where there wasn't much soil.
Look, Sammy. Look, everyone. The seeds are growing quite quickly.
Hey, look at me, I'm sprouting! Ha! I even have little roots. What a great place to grow.
But it wasn't a great place to grow.
Phew, that sun is so hot. Well, I'm feeling faint. I wish there weren't so many rocks. Then I could get my roots down deeper. Water. Please, can I have some water? Help!
Oh, poor seeds. They have no chance of growing in that rocky ground.
No, Sally, because the sun is so hot and the roots are so small, the plants have dried up and withered.
Jo wandered on down the field, and the next lot of seed fell among the thorns and weeds.
Oh, look, Sally, look, everyone. The seeds are doing really well. But, help! Nasty thorns and weeds.
Whoa! This isn't a bad place at all. Although the neighbours look a little strange. What a great place to grow. I'm growing strong, but these neighbours don't look very friendly. In fact, they look meaner every day. I wonder who they are. Oh, I can't breathe!
Oh, that wasn't a good place to grow, was it, Sammy?
No, because those weeds are the seeds' great enemy. They've nasty thorns, and the thorns soon got really, really mean. And they shook the poor little young plant. Oh dear, poor seeds. Poor Father Joe. He's not doing very well with his seeds, is he?
Still, Farmer Joe carried on sowing the field, and thankfully, some of the seeds fell on good soil.
Ooh. Now this looks like it should be a good place for the seeds to grow. What do you think, Sally?
Well, yes, perhaps. Let's just listen to what the seed has to say.
Wow! Would you look at this place? This is amazing. There's plenty of water for me, the soil is really good, and there's not too much sun. I don't see any birds around, or any strange neighbours. What a great place this is for me to grow.
Hey, success! Success! This is a great place for seeds to grow.
Yes, so great, in fact, that each seed has grown a large crop. Some 30, some 60, and some as many as 100. Look, Sammy, what a wonderful field of crops.
Oh, Farmer Joe will be so happy. Do you think we might get a pay rise next year?
Farmer Joe was indeed very happy with his crop. He did lose some seeds, those on the path, those in the rocky ground, and those in the thorny ground. But the seeds in the good, rich soil, he pulled the weeds out, he watered it regularly, and he put his trusted scarecrows on guard to scare the birds. And together they did a great job.
What an amazing crop! This is the best crop I have ever had. Thank you very much, Scarecrows, for all your hard work.
Our pleasure, Farmer Joe. You can always rely on us.
That year, Farmer Joe had such a successful crop, he was the talk of the town. And do you know, he shared the crop with everyone. His family and all the families in the town had more than plenty to eat. I do like stories with happy endings.
Me too.
Wel, ddaru chi fwynhau. Ddaru fi fwynhau yn fawr iawn cyfarfod Ffarmwr Jo a'r ddau Bwganod Brain a'i cyfeillion. Ei dad i'r rhain maen nhw wedi gwneud joban dda iawn yn do wedi cael cynheuaf da, digon o fwyd ar gyfer Ffarmwr Jo a'i deulu. A ddaru chi sylwi be ddaru Ffarmwr Jo? Ddaru fo benderfynu rhannu y bwyd. Mi fysa fo wedi gellu roed o'n y storfa tan blwyddyn nesaf, ond na ddaru fo wneud yn siŵr bod pawb yn y dre yn gallu bita y cynheuaf y bwyd. A mae yna wers yna ni does, yn lle bod ni'n cadw popeth i ni'n hunan, bod ni yn rhannu popeth sgynnon ni. A tasa ni'n rhannu popeth sgynnon ni, mi fysa'r byd yn le brafiach a mwy caredig o lawar. Gweddi, Dduw daeth diolch i ti yn bod ni'n cael digon o fwyd bob dydd. Diolch bod gennym ni bobl i'n caru ni a gofalu amdano ni. Diolch am yr ysgol hon. A diolch am ofalu amdano ni. A rhoi ffrindiau ni, a rhoi rhodd i ni o gariad. A diolch am y tymhora, am yr eira, a'r glaw, a'r gwynt. Diolch am yr hau. Amen.